Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you this very beautiful pattern of collar neck design. I have made this collar neck already and I will just show you how to make this pattern only. So you can make this pattern very easily, and this is a very beginner friendly pattern. Anybody can make it. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. So stay connected to get the pattern. Okay, for this crochet project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 millimeter, and I am using a 3 ply cotton yarn. So first of all, make a slip knot, then with the help of crochet hook make chains for our project. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for this crochet pattern we need to make multiples of 3 chains and 2 more chains. So I have made 12 chains here. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2 for the pattern. So now we are going to start our pattern. For the pattern, make chain 1 and then chain 2 for the first row, and first 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. This loop on the hook doesn't count as anything, and these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. So into this fourth chain from the hook we are going to make a double crochet. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make this double crochet like this. Now make chain 1, skip first chain and into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next chain make 1 double crochet. We have set of 2 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains here, and here also make chain 1, skip 1 chain, into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next chain make 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 chain, into the next one make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into the next one, chain 1 again, skip 1 chain, in the last 2 chains make 1 double crochet in each like this. So now first row is completed and you can see this is our first row, 2 double crochet and chain 1 pattern. After that make 3 chains and we are going to make our increasing pattern for the second row. So in this very first double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet, then make 1 double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches here. Then make chain 1 and on to the next stitch after chain 3, chain 1. Here make double crochet 1 and into the same stitch make double crochet 2 like this, then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and we have a set of 3 again. Make chain 1 into the next one, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat on these 2 sets as well. Our last double crochet stitch would be in this chain 3. So in this third chain make 1 double crochet, and our next row would be simple. without any increasing pattern. So make 3 chains and skip first stitch here into the second one, make 1 double crochet like this, then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and we have set of 3, make chain 1 into the next panel, make 1 double crochet in the first stitch, then make 1 double crochet into the second stitch and 1 double crochet into the third stitch, chain 1 again, 1 double crochet in the first stitch of next panel, 1 double crochet into the next one and 1 double crochet into the next one. Repeat this process for these 2 panels of double crochet stitches as well. In the next row we are going to make increasing pattern, so make 3 chains, turn up the work, and we are going to make a double crochet in this very first double crochet stitch. Then we are going to make a double crochet in the next stitch, second one, then 1 double crochet into the third one, so we have a set of 4 double crochet stitches here. Now make chain 1 into the next panel, here make double crochet 1, and into the same stitch we are going to make another double crochet stitch because this is our increasing row. Then into the next 2 stitches make 1 double crochet in each of them, so make 1 double crochet in this last one, in the last stitch make 1 double crochet. So repeat this process for other 3 panels as well. So I have completed this row. For the next row we are going to repeat the process of this row. We are going to make simple row without any increasing pattern, so make 3 chains and turn up the work. We are going to skip our first stitch here, and into the next one we are going to make a double crochet, then into the third stitch make 1 double crochet, then into the fourth stitch make 1 double crochet, and we are going to make 1 double crochet in each of these double crochet stitches plus chain 1 pattern in between every panel. So repeat this process till the end of this row. So after this simple stitch row without any increasing pattern, we are going to make increasing pattern row again. So make 3 chains and we are going to make a double crochet in this very first double crochet stitch, then a double crochet into the second stitch, double crochet into third stitch, double crochet into the fourth stitch, and we have a set of 5 double crochet stitches here as you can see. So make chain 1 into the very first stitch, make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and then 2. So in this way, in the very first stitch of every panel we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches, and we will have total of 5 double crochet stitches in each of these panels till the end. So now I have completed this row. Now make chain 1 and we are going to make a shell stitch in this middle stitch, which is this third stitch. So in this third stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6. So after making 6 double crochet stitches here, in this chain 1 space make a single crochet like this, pull the yarn through these 2 loops. This is called single crochet stitch. Now we are going to make shell stitch in this next panel. So this is first stitch, second, And this third one, sorry, we have skipped one stitch here. I will correct it and then I will show you how to make the other one. So I have corrected my mistake. Now skip 2 stitches. Into the third one we are going to make shell stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6. So after making 6 double crochet stitches, make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So make shell stitches like this on the other 3 panels. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain like this, and our pattern is ready. This is a very simple and beginner friendly pattern. If you are making it in adult size, you can increase these rows with the same increasing pattern. Like you will make a simple stitch round row with 5 stitches, then you will make increasing stitch in the next round, next row, making 6 stitches in one panel, and so on. You can make this pattern with the same process for any size. So I have made this one for 2 to 3 year baby girl, and you can make it in larger size or smaller size as well. And you can see I have made strap on it as well. Making this strap is also very simple and easy. I have just made simple crochet round circle and I have added a bead on it. Then I have made chains, a long enough strap to make a bow shape, and then with this same strand I have made single crochets on the side to make it more fine and attractive. So single crochet basically in each of these stitches base chain and single crochet in chain 1 space. So you can make it very easily. This is not a difficult task to do. So you can skip this process if you want as well. This is up to you. You can simply add ribbon bow. Baby ribbon can be added for this purpose, or another thing can be made is to add button. You can make a button closure one also if you want. So you can simply add a button here and you can make chain hole here for the button, and you can make button closure collar neck design. Now you can attach this collar on baby dress with the help of sewing machine if you want, and you can use it as detachable collar neck on different dresses as well. This is up to you. So choice is yours. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option to get notification. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.